YouTube, it's Autumn Beckman. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. I have 3 items today to show you from Louis Vuitton, and they are all in the same packaging, and they're all gifts that I got for people. So I'll take off these notes that say what they are. All right, so 3 items, and let me show you one of the packaging. So it's an envelope here. And then here it says Louis Vuitton on the flap. One thing about these that I've noticed is there's a sticky part here, and it doesn't stick very well, so I don't know. That's fine, I guess. And they didn't put ribbon around it. I wish there was ribbon around it. But anyway, all right, so by the time you're seeing this, the people who are to receive these will have already received them, and they watch my channel, so I didn't want to post it before then. So I'm going to show you each of these items because they're things that I have not seen videos on, and there aren't many pictures online about them. So in case you're interested, I want you to be able to see what they are. 2 of these are city guides. I have the Los Angeles City Guide, and I have the New York City Guide. So here are the 2 books. They are soft covers. They're like a linen. You can hear that. And then on the back they have these photos. The different books are different thicknesses. Here is the binding on these. I'll wait for it to focus. There we go. And then the pages are the color, the edges of the pages are the color of the book. So let me show you the New York one, which is a little thicker than Los Angeles. Of course, I'm not going to go through every page, but you open it up. The interior is brown, and I'm not going to open it up a lot because I don't want to crease it either. It comes with this paper because you can also get the city guides online. I think you can just buy the app. You don't have to buy the book. And then they come with these stickers, and the trying to get that one to focus so you can see. So that's like a name tag, I guess. The ones in the Los Angeles book are pink to match that color. When you open it up to the first page, it has this photo. The pages are pretty thin. The books are a little heavy because even though they're soft covers, they're thick. I wouldn't say it's a cardboard, but being that it's linen or some kind of material, the pages are soft but thin. So throughout the book there are photos like this. And it's another, again, I'm not going to show you every page, but I do want to show you a few things. Here is the title page. And let's see. Here's about the city guides if you want to pause that and read it. There's a section on Louis Vuitton and travel. Here's the contents. Okay, that should be helpful. So there's the contents. Pause it and read it if you're interested. And then let me just flip through. Let's see. Flip through this way so you can see. So it's a lot of text with some photos intermingled there. And in the back, I saw a map. There's an index in the back. And Louis Vuitton's Guide for Travelers. And I saw some pictures of bags here. The Art of Packing. That's interesting. The 10 Icons of Travel. I see some things there I recognize. Here's more. I'm showing you this section because I feel like that would be interesting to a lot of you. I'm going to show you this whole thing with the pictures of the bags for those who want to know. Here's a Louis Vuitton timeline. And then that gets into the index, and I saw a map. I swear I saw a map. Okay, there are a few maps here. So I'll show you one of them. So there are different sections of Manhattan, and then it has some text on the other side. So I think that's about it. You get the gist of what the book is about here. Let me show you just a random page. So this looks like restaurants, just to give me an idea of what the pages look like. These currently go for $37, I think. So it's one of the least expensive things you can get at Louis Vuitton. And then I wanted to show you in the back too. It says down here, Louis Vuitton. And then the last thing that I got is different. It's a refill notebook. It's the MM size. And I think this runs around $60. It also has a linen cover, but it's like on the shopping bags, but it's not as thick, I don't think. I mean, it's not paper like that. It has the gold trim. The edge is curved. And it has a bookmark, and you can also see the pages here. There is a watermark. It has a ribbon bookmark. The watermark is not going to show up on camera. I can barely see it in person, but it is, let's see, there are a couple of them, it looks like. So I see one here, 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 and here. You're not going to be able to see them on camera, but there's the pages. The pages on this are pretty thin too. You'd be able to see a heavy ink pen through it. But it's really pretty. I thought it was a nice gift. I might get one for myself too. And yeah, that's it. So I just wanted you to be able to see what these look like, because the website doesn't show any pictures of what's inside of them. And these are probably going to be difficult to get, but I tried ordering all three of these things online, and it would say they were in stock, and then it would let me order them. The order would like go through it and do all the information, and it gave me a confirmation code. And then immediately I got an email saying the order was canceled. And I went through that several times, and I finally just went into my store thinking they wouldn't have them, but they did, luckily. So I was able to pick them up. All right, that's it for today. If you like the video, click the like button. If you want to subscribe, click the subscribe button and click the bell notification icon to be notified when I post new videos. And remember to follow me on Instagram if you're interested in that. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time. Have a fantastic day.